This platform is called Videotoblog, and it's actually an amazing platform which I just stumbled on recently, and it is accessible at videotoblog.ai. I have a link to it in the description. Just click on the link and it's going to bring you directly to this platform. What you need to do when you get to this platform is just to put in your YouTube video URL. So once you put in your YouTube video URL, it's going to convert your YouTube video into amazing blog content. This tool is actually amazing when we talk about content repurposing and making your YouTube videos into blog content seamlessly. To start with on this platform, let's talk about the pricing. Once you click on the pricing tab, it says Videotoblog is free for use up to like 3 blog content every month, which I think is pretty fair compared to industry standard. And after that, it is $9 per month for unlimited usage. By the time we finish the analysis of this particular platform, we'll know whether the 3 blogs content per month is worth it, or whether the $9 per month for limited usage is actually worth it, based on the content that we produce from the YouTube videos which we are going to put into it. So let's move on. In order to use this platform, all you have to do is actually to sign in. There are various methods by which you can sign in. You could sign in using your Google account, or you can just basically use your email address. You could just link your Gmail account with it. You can just link your Gmail account and then you have access to this particular tool. But I'm going to use my email address. So in order to use an email address, I'm going to be using a disposable email address to register on this platform. So I go to my disposable email platform, which is Emailnator. I have used this particular platform in order to make registration on some videos on this YouTube channels. You just come to this platform, emailnator.com, then you can pick a disposable email. I'm just going to generate a new Gmail address. Disposable email platforms are platforms which gives you temporary email addresses for registration and basically for signups. They basically are not valid few minutes or 10 to 20 minutes after that, but they allow you to register and then sign up for a whole lot of us, most especially if you don't want to use your Gmail address. This is the Gmail address which I have been given, which I'm going to use. So I'm just going to click on go, and then I'll copy the Gmail address which I have been given. So once this is copied, now I'll go back to the platform Videotoblog, and then I'm going to paste in my Gmail address right here. I'll click on continue. It says I should just choose my full name, so I can just write alright, and then I'll use a password. Alright, so I'll just click on create account. Alright, so my account is created right now. My account is created. It says welcome to Videotoblog, and it says get started creating your first blog. Just like we have said, it is free for over 3 blog content which we are going to create per month. So I'm going to create my first blog right now. I would just, well, you just have to do, you can play around this dashboard right here. You can come to the settings. Once you get to the settings section, you have the option to change the language. You have a whole lot of languages here which you can generate your blog content in. You also have integration. You can integrate it with WordPress.com or WordPress.org. You can integrate with Medium, and then you can integrate with Blogger. So also it gives you your usage limit right here, which is the number of blogs which you have created this particular month, and then your account sign up information and a whole lot of other things. So I'll go to the create blog section. Now I need to put in my YouTube video URL. So I'll go directly to YouTube, and I'm just going to pick a random URL. So I have this YouTube video which says earn money with ChatGPT on YouTube without showing your face. So I'm just going to copy the YouTube video link. Once the YouTube video link is copied, I'll come back to Videotoblog platform, and then I'm going to paste in my YouTube video link. You can come to this advanced option depending on the plan that you are basically on. You can, I'm going to be using a short video length right now because I am on the free plan, but you can use a longer video length or a longer blog length if you're on the paid plan, and that is why it is right here that it is locked. I can generate a serial metadata if I'm on the paid plan. I can, in the free plan, I can still choose my language. I can choose my language. I'll put my language to English. Alright, so you can generate social media posts in the paid plan. You can add the FAQ section in the paid plan. You can add a table of content in the paid plan. So I can choose my tone. Let me say I want to choose informational. I can choose my point of view. I can add a primary key phrase. I can add my keywords and a whole lot of things, and then I'll go to create blog just right here. So once you click on the create blog, it starts creating the blog content. Those as we are seeing, that's how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. It gives me an introduction, and then it gives me a lot of highlights and starts generating the video using the power of artificial intelligence. It says using ChatGPT to generate video titles, which are going to be some of the highlights of what are in the video script itself. By the time you finish, you can still have the option to basically edit everything that is here. You can change it, you can paraphrase and do a whole lot of other things before you publish directly on your blog. My blog is hereby generated right now. It says how to make money on YouTube. So it has an introduction section, and by the time you watch the video, you can basically see that most of the things here are the highlights. If you want something of a longer length, then that simply means you have to go for the paid plan, which is just $9 per month. If you want to register for this platform, you can just click the link in the description. It will bring you to the homepage of this particular platform. All right, so once you're done, you can just come to this export section. Once you get to the export section, you can share a link to this particular script, or you can copy the HTML. If you want to copy that text, then you copy that the markdown text right here. You have the copy button next to it. You can export it or download it as a Word or a PDF document, just like we have the integrations. You can integrate it with WordPress.com. You can integrate it with WordPress.org, with Medium, and then with Blogger. Or you share directly on social networks such as Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and on basically WhatsApp. So that's one very good thing about this particular platform. You can decide to regenerate your blog if you feel that you do not like what I have right here. So what I'll just do is that I'll just tell it to just regenerate, and then I'll click on the regenerate button, and it's going to write it all over again, starting from the beginning. So this is our regenerated content from the YouTube video URL which we supplied. Some of the advantages of this particular video to blog platform is the fact that they save time and they make content creation basically easier. They also increase the engagement, and they are of search engine optimization advantage. They are also very good when it comes to content repurposing. And as we go back to let's just click our dashboard. It's going to come back to the homepage, and then it's going to show us the blogs which we have created. We still have the advantage of creating 2 additional blogs for the limit of our free plan is exhausted. So guys, that's that about this particular platform called Video2Blog. You can use the free plan as much as you want to create awesome blog content from your YouTube videos. So thanks for sticking with me up to this point, and I'll see you in the next video.